In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain to Netlify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can connect a clean, custom web address to your Netlify project with confidence. Start by heading to netlify.com in your browser and sign into your account. You'll land on the main dashboard. From here, open the projects area. This is where all your deployed sites live, and it's the right place to choose which site will receive the new domain. Select the project you want to brand with a custom domain. Clicking into it takes you to that project's overview where you can access configuration options that affect how the site is served to visitors. Next, look for domain management. Depending on your layout, it appears in the sidebar or under site settings. Open it to view everything related to your site's addresses, including the default Netlify subdomain and any custom domains you've added previously. Within domain management, find the production domain section. This is the area that controls the primary web addresses your visitors will use. Click Add Domain to start the process of bringing a new address into this project. When prompted, choose Buy a new domain. This option is ideal if you don't already own the name elsewhere. Buying through Netlify keeps things simple because DNS and SSL are handled automatically for domains purchased within the platform, minimizing manual setup later. Now find a new domain by typing your desired name into the search field. Think about clarity and memorability. Shorter names are easier to share, and choosing a relevant top-level domain like .com, .dev, or a regional option can help signal the site's purpose. Avoid hard-to-spell words, unnecessary hyphens, or confusing numbers if you can. Click Search to check availability. Netlify will scan the registry and show you options. If your first choice isn't available, you'll typically see close variations and alternate extensions you can consider. Take a moment to review spelling and pick the version that best fits your brand and audience. Prices vary by extension and renew annually, so glance at the cost to make sure it aligns with your budget. At this point, you've reached the results page where you can evaluate available names and choose the one that works best for your project. You started at netlify.com, opened projects, selected your site, entered domain management, chose Add Domain, picked Buy a new domain, searched for a name, and reviewed what's available. That's all you need to confidently navigate to the point of selecting the perfect domain for your Netlify site.